is they have a flat surface so that it's not going to leave a crimp in your hair. What's amazing about this is that it's not just a primer, it's also a serum. So it's great for your skin, but it also helps your makeup stick all day. It goes on nice and light, super smooth, smells delicious. And it doesn't leave you shiny, it just gives you a healthy glow. So you're luminous all day. And don't be worried about the word oil. It's not going to leave you oily. It goes on beautifully smooth and gives you a fresh glow for the whole day. My favorite way to use the Bulgarian Rose Oil Makeup Primer is to actually mix it with my foundation. The reason I like to mix them is that I find that I use a lot less foundation, and then it goes on super creamy, covers amazingly, and lasts all day. Because of its microfiber, it doubles as both a brush and blender, so you get both tools in one. So now I'm going to apply it. And see how it works just like a brush? But then you can also use it to pat and blend. So let's brush first. It goes on so smooth, with such great coverage, and it's not absorbing my product. Alright, now for the real test. Let's see if there's any creases. Perfect.